Okay, so we've got a 2020 Volkswagen Polo, orange in colour. I believe it's the Trendline. Manual, only travelled 40,000 kilometres, got the reverse camera, tinted windows, just presents in excellent condition all the way around, good tyres, just a beautiful car at 19,999. Take a look at the interior as well. 2 remote keys, which is great. We've got the Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, 44,000 kilometres, big colour screen that, and you've got your air conditioning, and it's a 5-speed manual. Interior seat trim, pretty much all like brand new. Front passenger just as good. Logbooks, check out the photos for the service history. And there's your back seat there, pretty much like brand new as well. Just show you inside the boot. Nice good sized boot for a small car. All inquiries welcome. Please give us a call.